Why was our pumpkin like this?
Can we get this too, Daddy? Wala, this one po, nakabukit na. This one, oh.
That's not ready.
Yeah, it's not ready, but nakabukit
Yeah,
na.
but it's okay. Oh, no, it's not. Look,
Yeah.
it's gonna die, so take it. Cut it there.
Sayang.
No, cut this. Yeah, the branch is already broken.
I have lot in here, not oh. Here, oh. And I have lot. Ay, biga. Look, this one is very big, but it's not ready. Very big. As in, Daddy, look up. The body was been sliced. Look.
Oh, it's split.
Yeah.
Too much water.
Ah.
Time to take it. We have to cook that one. It's had too much water.
Ah.
That's why it's split. It's grown too big. We'll have to wash the ants off.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Very big.
but we can save it and we can use it.
And my
Oh, it's heavy.
this one is almost ready. Too much water. But the one here is kuat. Look, this one is look at this one, cutie one, Daddy. Circle, not growing so big. But do you want me to get the two?
Are they ready?
If we are going to cook that too, because they are falling and the one
Well,
is split.
yeah, up to you. If you want them, get them.
Well, we just leave that way. Only that one for now.
You sure?
Look at this, ano? This kuan ba? The lavender kuan? Patatas ba? Potato?
There's many pumpkins in there still.
Yeah, maybe it one. This one also. Look. Oh no. Maybe because too much rain?
Yeah, too much rain will do that. That's when you use it. Too much liquid, they swell faster than the skin can grow.